Tired of politely chasing down late payments? You can automate the process and incentivize on-time payment by setting up late fees and payment reminders in FreshBooks. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This puts your payment terms on autopilot, professionally nudging clients without you having to send a single awkward email. First, go to your FreshBooks settings and find the Late Payments section. Here, you can define your late fee policy, whether it's a percentage or a flat fee, and when it kicks in after the due date. Then, go to the Payment Reminders section. You can schedule a series of automated emails to go out, for example, a reminder a few days before the due date, another when it's late, and a final one with the late fee applied. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: communicate your policy up front. Don't let the late fee be a surprise. Mention it in your initial contract and include a note about it on your invoice terms. This makes it a professional policy, not a personal penalty. So, just like that, you've established a system that encourages timely payments and handles the follow-up for you. Do you have a strict late fee policy, or do you prefer to handle it case by case? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.